to this new book called Rainforest Colors. Let's go!
Blue. Ulysses butterfly. Blue wings on this butterfly are bright and easy to see among decaying leaves on the forest floor. Would you notice the Ulysses butterfly if its wings were close up? Maybe not. The undersides of the wings are mostly dark brown. Did you know that these butterflies are attracted to the color blue and may mistake other blue objects for butterflies? How distracted they are!
See you in our next color of these amazing rainforest colors. Bye-bye!